So this is my first time I cooking out. They've both been here before. But let's see what it looks like. My burger's wrapped. Okay, hold on. So I got the burger. I couldn't think.
And these are only $6.
No, I know. I like the blue and I have the rest is gray.
Can we get one?
Yeah. Okay, you guys. I got the Dollywood apple lemonade, and I just got a regular, it's called a twisted tornado with some ketchup. Okay, I'm about to try. I look ugly. I'm sorry. I'm about to try this. The apple lemonade.
Does it take off from here? Oh yeah, it's funny.
I give it a. I give it 8 out of 10.
Yeah, really?
Try it.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Like, we are literally all squeezing into this thing.
Bad boys, what you gonna do?
Yeah, your
We're
idea
too
going on.
old. Whose idea was this?
Literally Lily's, and she can't even handle it.
They just got me a little dolly keychain. So cute. On my purse.